video, I'm going to be showing you how to make spaghetti squash for spaghetti sauce. Low carbs and gluten-free, but so yummy. And there's two ways to make it. You can make it in the Instant Pot or in the oven. And how we grow it. Look at all of this. And there's more in the garden. We planted 100 feet of spaghetti squash. We plant them 1 foot apart, 36 inches by 100 feet of polyroll to the south of the plants. Dad trains the plants to go towards the plastic. You can also see where the plants put the roots. Picking spaghetti squash is so easy. So Dad and I thought it would be easiest if he cut them and I put them in the wheelbarrow and the laundry basket. But we noticed that some have green, so we left the other ones to grow a little more. We also grow pumpkins and butternut squash. We pick squash flowers all summer for yummy pancakes. Click here to see the video. First thing we do is we cut the squash in half. When you cut it in half, it looks like this. And when it looks like, you have to scoop all these seeds out. And when you're done scooping the seeds out, it looks like this. When you scoop your seeds out, you put your olive oil, pepper, and salt. You put it upside down on the baking sheet. I have this ready for the oven, and now we're going to use the Instant Pot. We put our cuvette in and 1 cup of water. And now we put our squash in the Instant Pot, cut side up. We put the lid on. And now I'm going to make sure it's on sealing. You put it on pressure cook for high for 9 minutes. Pot and this is the oven. They look the same, but if you're in a hurry, you can just use the Instant Pot. And look how yummy this food is. It's squash pasta and some veggies and nice sausage. We put the seeds in salt water and we bake it tomorrow.
Hi, we're the Vineyard Chicks, and we'd like to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Go ahead, click it now. We'd love to hear your questions and comments, so leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Thank you.